In spring, you just want something light and delicious. And since I love desserts, I prefer making them at home so I can fully control the ingredients. Measure out the cottage cheese. In my case, I'm using 2% cottage cheese. It's packed with protein, so don't be afraid of it. Separate the egg yolks from whites. We'll need the whites a little later. Add the cottage cheese, egg yolks, starch, vanilla, I'm using vanilla extract, and some lemon or orange zest into a blender. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, whip the egg whites with sugar until stiff peak form. Now gently fold the whipped egg whites into the cottage cheese mixture by hand. Your oven should already be preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Grease the baking dish with butter and pour in the mixture. Bake for 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the fruity topping for our dessert. In my case, I am using mixed berries. Cook them with sugar for about 10 minutes, almost like making a quick jam. Add a little starch if you want it thicker, but I also like it more on the liquid side. Take the soufflé out of the oven. At first it will look beautifully tall, but it will sink a little as it cools. That's completely normal. Let it cool down and serve it topped with the freshly made berry jam. Pour yourself some tea or coffee and enjoy this healthy and delicious dessert. And please share your favorite dessert recipes with me in the comments. I'd love to try making them too.